Hey there, parents and teachers. It's Jamila here, and today we're diving into the world of letters with ABC flashcards. I'm going to show you 5 fun ways to use flashcards that will make your little ones shout, "Hooray!" for learning their ABCs. Are you ready to transform learning time into a super-duper fun time? Give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited to make learning the ABCs a blast. Let's jump right in. For our first game, we're going to get those little bodies moving and grooving. I call this one the sound and action game. It's all about bringing letters to life with silly movements. Hold up a flashcard. Let's say it's the letter B for ball. Make the letter sound B ball. Now encourage your little one to pretend to throw a ball, just like a star basketball player. Why does this work so well? When kids connect sounds with actions, their amazing brains remember the letters much better. It's like magic, but it's really just the power of play. Ahoy, mateys! Get ready for a flashcard treasure hunt? This game is perfect for getting kids up and moving while they learn their ABCs. Hide those colorful flashcards around the room, behind a pillow, under a chair, maybe even peeking out from behind a curtain. Now ask your little explorers to find a specific letter. Once they find the C card, they get to search for an object in the room that starts with that letter, like a cuddly C for cat or a soft C for couch. This game isn't just about finding letters. It's about making learning an exciting adventure. Get ready to put those little brains to work with this next game. It's time for letter and sound matching. This activity is all about making connections between letters, sounds, and pictures. First, you'll need 2 sets of cards, your trusty ABC flashcards and some picture cards. Lay out the ABC flashcards on one side and the picture cards on the other. Ask your child to find the matching pair, the letter card that goes with the picture card. For example, they might match the letter A with a picture of a juicy red apple. As they make a match, encourage them to say the letter sound out loud. Apple. This helps them build those all-important phonics skills. Get those wiggles out with this high-energy game. It's time to jump and learn. This activity combines learning with movement, making it perfect for kids who love to jump, hop, and shake their sillies out. Spread out big flashcards like stepping stones, and get ready to jump into the fun. Call out a letter and watch your little one zoom to that letter like a rocket ship. You can even make it a bit more challenging by calling out letter sounds instead of letter names. This game is all about making learning active and engaging. Calling all storytellers. Get ready to unleash your creativity with flashcard storytelling. This activity takes flashcards beyond letter recognition and into the magical world of imagination. Pick out 3 to 5 flashcards. Let's say D for dog, H for house, and S for sun. Encourage your child to create a mini story using those letters and the pictures on the cards. This activity not only helps with letter recognition, but also boosts vocabulary, comprehension, and storytelling skills. Wow, we covered so much today. We learned our ABCs with games, treasure hunts, and even created our own stories. Remember, learning should always be an adventure. And with a little creativity, you can make learning the ABCs a blast for your little ones. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments. What's your child's favorite ABC game? See you in the next video.